Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can use Spotify Premium for free without any money. After watching this video, you will definitely use Spotify Premium for free in your device. So let's start the video. First, you have to open Play Store in your mobile and here search SportTube in the search bar. Download this second application SportTube. I have already downloaded it. Open this application after the downloading and give permission what app asked for. After that you have to go to the settings area and here you have to log in with your Spotify account. Continue with Google and log in with the same email you have logged into the Spotify. Now you can see the account is logged in the SportTube. After logging in the Spotify account in SportTube, you have access to all the playlist which is available in Spotify Premium only. If you are using Spotify Premium, then you have to pay for these playlists, and Spotify Premium costs around $3 to $4 per month. So if you want to save $4 to $5, then you can use this method and use Spotify Premium for free in SportTube app. There are variety of songs which is only available in Spotify Premium and now you can use on SportTube for free. If you are fond of decade songs, you can listen decade song here. Travel song is also the option here. There are variety of categories in SportTube as it is in Spotify Premium, so you can use here all the premium content from Spotify without any money. You can also search songs in the search bar and listen on the will of yourself. So by following this way, you can also use Spotify Premium in your Android mobile for free. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.